What's up? Wanted to make a video kind of showing how I organize my work truck. Got this side started, got these new drawers put in. Still working on that. Right now some of these boxes are pretty bad. It's just kind of a mess all around. So I'll get started and I'll show y'all kind of what I'm doing, my thought process behind it. These 3 boxes done. Got tape measures, tape, WD-40, personal protection equipment, zip ties, sockets, drill bits, drills. Got all my Ryobi stuff right here. I'm a Ryobi king, dude. Look at this. Show me a better Ryobi collection. Got this pretty much organized. This one organized. This one organized. Taylor, what's up? Okay, that took forever. That's what I need right there. My thought is I'm gonna put it up on the wall like that. Have my tools going down through it. It's my thought at least. Okay. Make this work. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I think you're supposed to start with a smaller bit and then work your way up, I believe. The WD.
20 minutes later.
Slow and steady.
2 hours later.
Oh Lord. I'd break my wrist. Got this here. Hardware. From the Home Depot. Alright, I got that where I want it. I don't know if you can see in there, but I've got a mountain hole right there. Perfect. Alright. Hit him with that snug. Okay. I've got the pallet mounted, but I'm running out of time, so I need to start hurrying. I've got to go look at a house at 1 o'clock. I'm trying to buy my own house. I've been working hard, saving up. Just need to find the home for me. Start throwing these tools in this thing. Oh yeah, sturdy. I do not know why I have so many square point shovels. Holy cow. So, that's that. Works pretty good. The back is so much better. I mean, there's so much room for stuff now. The boxes are so much better. Put up my Ryobi. This box, so much better. I've still got to do the other side, but I don't think I have time. Got about 15 minutes. I might get started on it. Yeah, that's gonna be it.
Bye, have a great time.